Welcome back to How To Knots for another knot tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to tie the Palomar knot, which is super useful because it is very easy to tie and a very durable knot. It works well for braided line, monofilament line, and fluorocarbon line. So it's very, very versatile. To start, we're just going to take our line here and we're just going to cross over the end here, and then we're just going to make a little loop at the end. So now we just have the two line wrapped over itself. I'm just going to pinch the end here and then just feed it through the eyelet of the hook. That's all we do to start. So I pinch the end, feed it through. There we have it. So I fed it through. Just going to take it halfway now. Got both ends. And now I'm just going to tie a simple overhand knot. So I'm just going to go over and then just tie a knot. Just a normal knot. Then I'm going to start to tighten a little bit. And before I tighten fully, what I'm going to do is this end here that went through the knot, this part, I'm just going to put the hook through it. So I'm going to put the hook through that. And I'm going to start tightening a little bit. And as I tighten, I'm going to slide this end up a little bit. I'm just going to slide the end I just put the hook through up to the top here. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Slide the end up there. And then as I tighten, you can see that end just starts to tighten with the knot. As I just keep tightening. And there you have it. The end tightened that I put through the hook with the rest of the overhand here, and that's what makes it super strong. And now what you can do is you can just take this tail end here. You don't need that, you can just clip it. And then you're done. And then so you can take whatever bait you're using, slide it on. There you go. There is Palomar knot. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and like our video. Comment what other tutorials you want to see. Thanks. We'll see you next time.